State program that pays death benefits for first responders is under the spotlight, and today the Minnesota Court of Appeals heard arguments over a decision to deny a family's claim.
Just last week we told you about legislation that could change that program. Ben Henry has been following all of these developments for us.
A lot of passion, people working to make some changes, and the changes in the state law is centered around an assistant fire chief who died in the line of duty. His family is fighting the denial it received from the state for those benefits. And tonight we're learning they're not alone.
I can't think of what would bring us together more.
Attorney Daniel Harrison says their law firm specializes in issues facing first responders, including those who've passed away.
How has this been working with the families?
It's difficult.
The firm is representing multiple families fighting for state death benefits that were denied.
Right now we see cancer claims, suicide claims, heart claims, claims involving serious injuries that lead to death, all being denied right now, and I don't know the reason why.
Eligibility for Minnesota's Public Safety Officer Death Benefit Program is laid out in state law. It provides a one-time payment to family of first responders killed in the line of duty. Wednesday morning, one of Harrison's cases was heard at the Minnesota Court of Appeals.
His estate was improperly denied DPS killed in the line of duty death benefits.
Anoka police officer Eric Grobner died of an aortic aneurysm hours after a shift, but his death benefits were denied.
There are over a dozen denied cases right now that are in some phase of this process where the families are going to have to fight for the benefit instead of it just being awarded to them.
Another is Hopkins Assistant Fire Chief James Scanlon. He died in 2022 from a heart attack he suffered just hours after a call.
And then down here,
when Senator Jeff Howe heard he'd been denied benefits, he drafted new legislation to change the state's program. He says Scanlon was part-time, and his last call was a false alarm.
we're going to get these families taken care of.
The death benefits program is overseen by the Department of Public Safety, and Commissioner Bob Jacobson told us last week he's been part of conversations at the Capitol.
I think there are some changes that could be made that would be beneficial.
Commissioner Jacobson also said that these decisions weigh heavy on him. Since 2022, DPS has approved 19 and denied 12. For the case that was heard today in the Court of Appeals, judges have a few months to share their ruling. As for the legislation, it is close to being filed. Senator Howe has confidence it will have bipartisan support as it makes its way through the Capitol.
It's stressful for the family.
Yeah,
Thank you for
it
that.
sure is.
You bet.
Thanks, man.